YouTube! In today's video, we're going to be turning an all-wheel drive BMW 340i into a rear-wheel drive drifting beast. So originally this is a X-Drive BMW. This does have the transfer case, right?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So we're going to be using X-Delete on, what is SXP, right?
XHP.
We're going to be using X-Delete on SXP to actually make this all-wheel drive launching beast a rear-wheel drive car. So we loaded up the app and we flashed the car ready, and as you can see, X-Drive has been disabled, and we're gonna leave it off. We're gonna leave the car in rear-wheel drive mode. X-Drive off basically means that all-wheel drive is off. So it's gonna be a rear-wheel drive only car for a second while we actually spin this bitch and actually see what it can do. YouTube, so we have the car rear-wheel drive, and we're gonna actually fucking send it on this bitch and see what this bitch can do. The car is an actual rear-wheel drive. Oh, chill. Gosh, fucking dang. Shit. But my hat fell off, and we got it in one piece. It's in one piece. It might be kind of dirty, but it's in one piece. It's in one piece. The hat is back, we're good. So now we're gonna actually do the launch control with the rear-wheel drive X-Drive Delete on the car to see how bad it actually spins from the outside. Oh my goodness. You guys can, okay, my review, my thoughts on the X-Drive Delete, it feels still assisted. It still feels like X-Drive is still there, just a little bit. Now you do feel the majority of the power in the back, but the front two wheels do feel like they still have some power in it. But as you can tell, the car does still spin. The car does spin, and it's a lot easier to spin than before, but you can still tell that there is still a little bit of power in the front two wheels. That's just my complete opinion, unless we didn't do this right, but that's impossible. But I still think that there's a little bit of power in the front two wheels. What type of tires are you running right now?
So they're 245, 4018, Yokohama Advan Apex.
And they're fairly brand new.
They're the Kroger version of the Michelin Pilot Super Sports. That's what they compare it to.
Yeah. So they're basically, I wouldn't say knockoff because they're not knockoff.
They're not knockoff, but that's what they compare it to. It's like its little brother.
Oh, okay. I feel. Huh?
They're pretty good or what?
Yeah, I still think you're hooking too much for it just to be rear-wheel drive.
Maybe.
I think so. I think it's a good thing though. I think it's a good thing. I honestly think it's like 70-30.
No, it's X-Delete.
I don't know. It still feels like your fronts are trying to go. Still feels like your fronts are trying to go.
Should I try reflashing it?
Yeah, fuck it. See if there's any difference. I don't think there's gonna be a difference. How much did you pay for it?
Like 120 bucks.
120 bucks, not bad.
I was like, oh no, it's a 165. It was 165.
165?
Yeah. For the E series, it's 120.
Oh yeah.
For the F series.
We're going to motherfucking 7-Eleven. We're taking a little detour break. You feel me? This is a commercial break, and it like flips. Oh my gosh, that nigga's tall as shit.
God. Jesus.
Shit, I thought Cameron was strong. How's it going? Let's see what they got.
Well, I got this because I spent like over $200. Like my first $200, they gave me a shirt and like a bunch of shit.
So how does Snap-on Debt work?
Huh?
So how does Snap-on Debt work? Like they finance you or some shit?
No, it's not even financing. You choose how much you want to pay every week.
Whatever you want.
Yeah, whatever you want. And then they run your card every week. They'll come to you and, hey, and then you can go on the truck and get more shit if you want and just like add it onto my account.
So it's just limitless what you can get in debt for? That is dangerous.
My buddy, or my Master Tech Ben, he's still like 20-something thousand.
Oh my gosh.
He has a full ass box. He has a $12,000 Snap-on like diagnostic center.
Damn.
Like with like a touchscreen TV, it's like a whole box. It has a bunch of wiring tools and like OBD scanners.
So
like
that's-
the scanner itself has like the most high-end Snap-on like scan tool.
That's dangerous.
Big ass screen one. You know?
That is dangerous. That is
You
dangerous.
just say, I want this. and they'll fucking give it to you, and they're like, all right, how much you want to run?
What if you don't pay for it?
They're cool guys. They're like younger.
Oh.
Yeah, my Snap-on guy, and it's always the same guy.
Yeah.
My Snap-on guy is Chris.
Yeah.
Walk into his truck, he's got like fucking like jerky bacon and beef sticks and coffees and shit.
You can finance a turkey fucking
Yeah, you can
a
get
turkey stick.
Yeah. You can get everything.
Let me see. They don't have the exact chips that I want.
What chips you want?
I want the fucking. It's a special type of Takis. They're called like nitros.
Nitro Takis.
Nitro, yeah. Oh, they got dynamites. That would do. Dynamites would do. I'll try both of them. Are you getting anything?
Yeah, it's just a tea.
Just a tea?
Yeah.
I'll try these new Takis up.
I'm about to go to the movie, so I'm not trying to eat.
Yeah.
I've been driving for years.
Good.
And I've never had the hot dog.
That's the luck. That's the luck. I've seen that too many times.
Oh.
Have a good one.
All right. See
Have a
you.
good one.
Merry Christmas. Okay. Yeah, I know her.
She seems chill. The gas station lady. She seems chill.
No, she's been here forever. She's been here fucking forever.
Yeah. You know they have security at this one too.
Yeah, later.
Is it later in the day?
Yeah, it's later.
I've always seen security here.
Like probably 10.
Can you guys hear that? Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! That startup roar is fucking gnarly.
It's not even no startup roar.
That's not even startup roar? Damn,
That's
boy.
OEM fucking start.
That's fucking nuts.